Hello viewers, today we will talk about modern kitchen design ideas. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and also share this video with your friends. Dear viewers, a modern kitchen is not just a place to cook. It's the heart of the home where style meets function. With evolving lifestyle and trends, kitchen design has shifted from being purely utilitarian to becoming a statement space that reflects personal taste and supports daily needs. Here are some of the best modern kitchen design ideas that combine aesthetics, efficiency, and innovation. First of all, open layouts. Modern kitchens often follow an open plan layout that merges the kitchen with the dining or living area. This creates a more social and inclusive environment, making it easier to interact with family or guests while preparing meals. It also helps make the space feel larger and more airy. On the second number, minimalist cabinets. Sleek, handless cabinets are a signature elements of modern kitchen design. These come in glossy, matte, or wood textured finishes and help maintain a clean, clutter-free appearance. Popular colors include white, gray, black, or soft, earthy tones. Push to open systems and soft close drawers add a touch of elegance and functionality. On the third number, smart storage solution. Efficient storage is key in any modern kitchen. Use deep drawers, pull-out pantry units, corner shelves, and vertical cabinets to maximize every inch of space. Built-in organizers and drawer dividers help maintain order, while hidden compartments keep clutter out of sight. On the fourth number, kitchen islands and breakfast bars. A central kitchen island or breakfast bar adds a style and practicality. It can serve as a cooking area, workspace, or a place to eat. Adding pendant lights above the island can enhance the look and provide focused lighting. On the fifth number, high-tech appliances. Modern kitchens features energy-efficient and smart appliances that can be controlled by phone or voice. Built-in ovens, dishwashers, and refrigerators not only save space but also blend seamlessly with cabinetry. Touchless faucets and induction cooktops are also trending. On the second number, contemporary materials and surfaces. Quartz, granite, and concrete are top choices for countertops in modern kitchens. These materials are durable, low maintenance, and visually appealing. For the backsplash, options like glass subway tiles or slab marble give a clean and modern touch. On the seventh number, lighting matters. Lighting plays a vertical role in modern kitchens. Combine natural light with artificial sources for a well-lit environment. Use rigid ceiling lights laid under cabinet lighting and decorative pendants for both task and ambience lighting. On the 8th number, neutral and bold color schemes. Modern kitchens often use neutral palettes like white, beige, or gray for a timeless look. However, bold accent colors like navy blue, deep green, or matte black are becoming popular to add personality and contrast. On the 9th number, sustainability and eco-friendly touches. Eco-conscious materials and energy-saving appliances are an important part of modern kitchen design. Bamboo cabinets, recycled surfaces, and water-saving fixtures are great additions for a green kitchen. On the 10th number, personal touch. Add indoor plants, open shelves with cookbooks or decor, or a cozy coffee corner to bring warmth and character to your kitchen. In short, a modern kitchen is a blend of clean aesthetics, smart technology, and practical layout. It's all about making the space beautiful, efficient, and joy to use every day. Thank you.